To repair a chip or a scratch, first of all, round the edges off with a sharp chisel to make sure there's no proud points sticking up. Something like that. The packs are available in 3 colours. For this sort of colour, I'm going to use this pack, which is the medium pack. A light pack and a dark pack is also available. Contents are here. 2 AA batteries go inside there with a Phillips screwdriver. There's the safety catch, push that back, press the button down, and after about 5 seconds the tip heats up. Don't just use one colour of filler, use 2 or 3 colours at least. Melt the hard wax like I'm doing on here, then drop into the damaged area. Rather than trying to get it flat, make sure that you overfill. Put more in than you need. On the back side of the heating tool is a rasp. You can rub away as hard as you want, it won't scratch the surface, but as soon as we go over the top, it will level that down so that it's flush and flat. Last but not least, I'm now just going to use the darker colour just to draw in a little grain detail. And level off again. Repair is complete.